Junior, we are number last on the log with only 1 point. Do you see us progressing to knockout stages?
It's very difficult, man. Yes, chance corner.
Yeah.
Nami, I'm a probably South African. Mailing even I hope, but I can use so many chanda. Since Fagila Gulento, you go process 8 defenders 7. Experimentally came second came off from Lungisa. Unfortunately, we trolley came. And now we're going we're going to face one of the best team Gule Group H, which is the very quick dynamic. They've got Abosang, they've got the passing. So those tapes are good. Yangana, I get good tapes. Talent, it's going to be difficult. Honestly, it's a must win. In Mexico, when you try Mexico, they're not good. You know, that's for me. I don't think they've got something special, Mexico. But they're hosting, yes. They've got the crowd. But these guys, now, Baba, see, wow, it can end up get wrong in Mexico. Not to say this guy beating Mexico, this guy, it can end get wrong. It's possible. But us in Korea, it's going to be mountain to climb. Not because we can't throw, but beating Korea, yeah, we can probably throw, but me, I will be honestly, Shane, about it, W2 man. Abazobu, about it. And ugly. Sabatanda, we supported them. Bese Mexico spabugele life.
Sure.
And we mina mfetinda ba mina ngithanda effect. Izosikhulisa. Once we can fix things now, maybe let's say abachita babuye, we start now mababuye. We don't have to wait and then section the World Cup and say we believe. No, we need to be realistic. Do things properly from the club level. Kala ku grassroots. Like eputwini. Yabo iqala ukugrabula ebhuqweni and then nesafa iphinding us fail now and we can grow.
Junior, thank you so much. That's Junior Kanye, former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder. I forgot important information. Ile yenzeke namhlanje yeChurch 1 Bafana 1 but enye information endiyazi ukuthi izonenza happy because I know niyamthanda. Happy birthday Junior. Happy birthday my brother. Bobzin, do you want to say something?
No, I am pulling when I say now time, ukuthi ngikhulise awuthama time. Na happy birthday mona. Ngiyabonga kakhulu awuthama.
So humble man, ngibonga isupport ngaso sonke isikhathi.
But unecala akazelanga nekheke.
Akazanga nalo ikheke. Unecala. Unecala enangathi akalidli. No, uzawuza nalo.
No, hayi itiyo yaliphuza.
Ufuna ukufaka itiyo yakhe.